In this video, we're going to be setting up an enums folder because our enums are going to get a bit out of control here. So I'm going to go in and create a folder in here, and we just want to call this enums. Now, we would obviously need to move these around in the application. So if we go in now, what you want to make sure is inside, for example, order resource, that the enum is still being moved around. I'm using an IDE, so it should be done automatically on my end. But for someone who may be using Visual Studio Code, you may have to go into the order resource, the migrations, and a few other places as well. But this is just to keep the application a bit tidier. The second thing I want to go ahead and sort out is inside our order model. Inside our orders model, we have, a UUID we need to set every time we create an order. So in this case, what we can go ahead and do is we can create an observer. So I want to say PHP Artisan make observer, and I want to call this order observer. And then we can go ahead and say observe by order observer class. We can import it. And then here we can say public function creating. So we can take a look at the Laravel documentation here. If we go into the observers part here, let's go down a bit here and let's see what it looks like. So if we go down, we can go ahead in the observer here. And you see dispatched events allowing you to get to the following moments in lifecycle: retrieve, creating, created, updating, and so on. So I'm just going to go ahead and have creating in here void. We're going to set, in this case, an order here with order. We're going to say order UUID equals to str UUID. And we're going to call this order ID to be safe. Second thing we want to go ahead and do in here is we want to have a relationship to user. So public function user belongs to. Let's make sure we import these belongs to here. I think we can leave this as it is for now. So now we're observing here, this is how you would do it in Laravel 11. If you're using Laravel 10, you could go ahead and do that in the event service provider or something like that. But this is a neater way, I think, to do it, and it looks a bit tidy as well. It just makes it easier to figure out where is it observing. We can see that on the model class directly instead. And we can also make sure in here, obviously, that we could, for example, when updating, change different parts of the application and so on. So that's all for this video though. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.